Manipur State Assembly Election 2022 गे Central Election Committee of Congress na INC da Mirep oina na bagidamak khanggatlaba candidate singi list Ahanba Tangakki oina Laothokhre Constituency number 1 Khunrak Bamge Thoksom Lokesor Singh Constituency number 2 Haingangi Pangaizam Sarat Chandra Singh Constituency number 4 Khetrigao ge Muhammad Amin Shah Constituency number 5 Thongju ge Seram Niken Singh Constituency number 6 Kairao ge Tongbram Tony Maitai Constituency number 7 Andro ge Kaisam Ningthemjau Singh Constituency number 8 Lamlai ge Achoibam Deven Singh Constituency number 10 Uripo ge Nunglepam Mahananda Singh Constituency number 13 Singjamai ge Irengbam Hemochandra Singh Constituency number 17 Lamsang ge Ligmabam Manibabu Singh Constituency number 18 Konthaujam ge Laisram Nando Singh Constituency number 19 Patsoi ge Akoizam Mirabai Devi Constituency number 20 Langthawal ge Okram Joy Singh Constituency number 21 Nauria Pakhang Lakpa ge Soraisam Manaukton Singh Constituency number 22 Wangoi ge Salam Joy Singh Constituency number 23 Mayang Imphal ge Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar Singh Constituency number 24 Nambol ge Namairakpam Loken Singh Constituency number 25 Oinam ge Thoksom Ithoibi Devi Constituency number 29 Kumbi ge Dr. Khangembam Romesh Singh Constituency number 30 Lilong ge Syed Anwar Hussain Constituency number 31 Thaubal ge Okram Ibobi Singh Constituency number 32 Wangkhem ge Kaisam Megachandra Singh Constituency number 33 Hairoki Moirangthem Okendro Constituency number 34 Wangjing Tenthagi M. Hemanta Singh Constituency number 35 Khangaboki Surjakumar Okram Constituency number 36 Wavagai Ge M. D. Fazur Rahim Constituency number 37 Kaksing Ge Khetrimayum Kennedy Singh Constituency number 38 Hyanglam Ge Dr. Huidrom Jiten Singh Constituency number 39 Sugnu Ge Tanguzam Ranjit Singh Constituency number 43 Phungyar ST Ge Victor Kai Singh Constituency number 44 Ukhrul ST Ge Alfred Kangam S. Arthur Constituency number 45 Chingai ST Ge Swart Basum Constituency number 46 Saikul ST Ge Lingkhim Hauke Constituency number 47 Karong ST Ge Didi Thaisi Constituency number 51 Saitu ST Ge Lamting Thang Hauke Constituency number 52 Tamai ST Ge GN Kumuitiung Dr. Akul Constituency number 54 Nungba ST Ge Gaikhangam Constituency number 57 Henglep ST Ge Ti Manga Baifai Constituency number 59 Saikot ST Ge Tien Hauke Constituency number 60 Singhat ST Ge Tuan Khan Kiamlo Hang Hairiba candidate nifu asi ngasi Mukul Wasnik General Secretary in charge Central Election Committee of Congress na khuyek piduna thadorokhibane National Leader sing yauna BJP Election Management Committee mifam pangthokre CM Biren State President Sarda Minister Biswajit National Leader singa Delhi gidamak Imphal thadokre Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Manipur Pradesh ke Election Management Committee mifam Pung Mari Chumna Pangthoklaba matungda BJP National Leader singa loinana Manipur gi Chief Minister N Biren BJP State President A Sarda amadi Minister T.S. Biswajit Delhi gidamak Imphal thadokre Ngarang ayuk pung 12 tabada Chief Minister gi Banglo da BJP Election Management Committee mifamadu pangthokhe mifamadu nungthil gi pung 3 phauba pangthokhe mifamadu da BJP National Spokesperson Manipur gi in charge Sambit Patra Manipur gi election in charge Bhupendra Yadav amadi North East Zonal Organization Secretary Ajay Jamwasu saruk yakhe BJP gi wana ticket lauthognabagi matam naksilakpaga loinana ngarang Election Management Committee gi mifamadu pangthokibane mifamadu da Kendra Hompu da BJP gi Mirep oigani haina Thaurang tawriba singi matang da kupna khanakhe ngarang phamkiba miyam gi ware badu puraga Delhi gi damak ngarang Imphal thadokibane ngarang Delhi da makhoi thungkibaga loinana BJP National Election Committee gi mifamda Manipur gi Mirep oigadoriba sing adugi matang da khanaba haukhre ꯌꯥꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯗ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ 12ꯗꯒꯤ 15 ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ BJPꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯐꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯅꯔꯤ꯫ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ꯫